Hi, this is Jamie here with GearBest. Today I've got a great phone with me, the Vernee M6. This one is around 150 bucks US dollar. It comes in black and blue for both colors. Both of them are available at gearbest.com. Now I have the blue one with me right now, and we can take a look at what's inside the box first. So, the first thing you'll notice is the phone itself. As I mentioned earlier, I have the blue one with me. Let me remove the sticker here. It's kind of metal body-ish. More like electric light blue color at the back. It feels actually pretty good. So I'm gonna leave it here. A user manual here with multiple languages and a warranty card at the back of the manual. Okay, let's skip. Metal pin here for your card slot. And well, that's a lot of, okay, this is just a support. A micro USB cable here for charging and for file transferring, micro USB, and a power brick kit. So that will be it for the unboxing. Let's get back to the phone itself. Let me turn it on, and I'm gonna remove the sticker here. I'm gonna turn it on right now, and there you go. Let's start with the bottom. You got a speaker here next to the micro USB slot. In fact, I'm gonna pull out one of our GearBest video to test the speaker and see how it works. Volume up to the maximum. Okay, that should be enough. As you can hear, the sound and the volume is pretty decent. It does its job, work down perfectly. Not the best, but it's definitely considerably very well. Okay, so let's move on to the side of the phone. Nothing very eccentric or surprising. Typical power button here. Volume adjustment here on this side. Card slot here on the other side, which I'm gonna put it out here for now. Available for dual SIM and a storage expansion, which allows you to expand your external memory for up to 128 gigabytes. So let me put it back here. And we're moving on to the top. 3.5mm headphone jack right here, which is pretty much the best part that I love so much about the phone itself. Because what I'm having trouble with my own phone right now is I can't really charge it and listen to the music with my headphones on simultaneously. And I really do appreciate those manufacturers who decided to keep the headphone jack here. So let's move on to the specs and the screen. Move on to the screen. It's a 5.7-inch Full HD full screen with an 8-megapixel front camera at the top for selfies and video calls. Inside, it's powered by Android 7.0 OS, MediaTek octa-core clocking at 1.5 GHz with 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of storage, which can be extended to up to 128 GB with the TF card, as I mentioned earlier. At the back of the phone, 13 megapixel of rear camera with a flashlight below it and a fingerprint reader below it. I'm gonna test the fingerprint out right now and see how fast it can get. It's actually considerably very fast, given that it takes like around 0.5 seconds or something. Okay, finally, to the battery. It's a 3300 milliamp battery. Not the best I've ever seen, not the biggest one I've ever seen, but it's definitely above the average, and it will last you for at least one whole day without being charged. So that's pretty much it for today's Vernee M6 unboxing. If you like Vernee M6, if you like this video, remember to put a like on it. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.